Daily use English sentences for beginners. गाड़ी रोको. Stop the car. Stop the car. छी छी. How disgusting. How disgusting. ठीक है. All right. All right. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. रहने दो. Let it be. Let it be. मैं यह जानती हूँ. I knew it. I knew it. आज रविवार है. It's Sunday today. It's Sunday today. और कोई चीज़? Anything else? Anything else? मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. उससे पूछो. Ask him. Ask him. हे भगवान. Oh God. Oh God. कोई और? Anybody else? Anybody else? तुम जा सकते हो. You can go. You can go. मेरी कसम खाओ. Swear by me. Swear by me. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? भगवान की कसम. God promise. God promise. वापस जाओ. Go back. Go back. वापस आओ. Come back. Come back. कौन जाने? Who knows? Who knows? किसे परवाह है? Who cares? Who cares? इसे ले लो. Take it. Take it. जल्दी आओ. Come fast. Come fast. देर मत करो. Don't be late. Don't be late. क्या मुसीबत है? What's a bother? What's a bother? नहीं मतलब नहीं. No means no. No means no. क्या पूछना है? What to ask? What to ask? क्या कहना है? What to say? What to say? क्या करना है? What to do? What to do? क्या पढ़ना है? What to read? What to read? क्या पीना है? What to drink? What to drink? कितने दिन लगेंगे? How long will it take? How long will it take? यह दरवाज़ा बंद क्यों है? Why is this door closed? Why is this door closed? आज कौन सी फिल्म लगी है? Which movie is on today? Which movie is on today? आप इतने परेशान क्यों हैं? Why are you so worried? Why are you so worried? तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं समझते? Why don't you understand me? Why don't you understand me? मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking you something. I am asking you something. क्या आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? क्या आप मुझे पहचानते हो? Do you know me? Do you know me? मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाऊं? What do I bring for you? What do I bring for you? यही मोबाइल में चाहता था. This is the very mobile I want. This is the very mobile I want. ये मेरी पुस्तकें हैं. वे तुम्हारी पुस्तकें हैं. These are my books. Those are yours. These are my books. Those are yours. मैं वहाँ बहुत बार गया हूँ. I have been there many times. I have been there many times. तुम मुझसे जलते क्यों हो? Why are you jealous of me? Why are you jealous of me? इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना. Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. मुझे ऐसी हरकतें पसंद नहीं हैं. I don't like such activities. I don't like such activities. उसने खुद मुझसे कही. She herself said this to me. She herself said this to me. इस बार मैंने तुम्हें माफ किया. I forgave you this time. I forgave you this time. मैं मुंबई कभी नहीं गई हूँ. I have never been to Mumbai. I have never been to Mumbai. क्या तुम कभी मुंबई गए हो? Have you ever been to Mumbai? Have you ever been to Mumbai? मुझे तुम्हारी हमदर्दी नहीं चाहिए. I don't want your sympathy. I don't want your sympathy. कुछ हद तक आप सही हैं. You are right up to some point. You are right up to some point. तुम कितने बेरहम हो. You are so heartless. You are so heartless. तुम बहुत भुलक्कड़ हो. You are very forgetful. You are very forgetful. इसमें तुम्हारा क्या जाता है? What is your loss in this? What is your loss in this? मुझसे जुबान मत लड़ाओ. Don't talk back to me. Don't talk back to me. तुम्हारे दिमाग में भूसा भरा है. Your head is full of kelp. Your head is full of kelp. इतना ज़्यादा मत इतराओ. Don't flaunt too much. Don't flaunt too much. मेरी इज्जत का सवाल है. My respect is on the line. My respect is on the line. मुझे मेरे हाल पर छोड़ दो. Leave me on my own. Leave me on my own. गलती तुम्हारी है, ना कि मेरी. The fault is yours, not mine. The fault is yours, not mine. यह एक अजीब इत्तेफाक है. It's a strange coincidence. It's a strange coincidence. क्या टाइम हुआ है? What time is this? What time is this? तुम कहाँ जाते हो? Where do you go? Where do you go? आप मेरे कौन हो? Who are you to me? Who are you to me? पैसे किसके पास है? Who has money? Who has money? ये किसका पेन है? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? क्या तुम्हारे पास है? Do you have? Do you have? बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. बकवास मत करो. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. उसने मुझे माफ किया. He forgave me. He forgave me. वो अक्सर घूमता है. He often walks. He often walks. मुझे बताया गया था. I had been told. I had been told. मैं संडे को गया. I went on Sunday. I went on Sunday. उमस हो रही है. It's getting humid. It's getting humid. मुझे 2 घंटे लगे. It took me 2 hours. It took me 2 hours. आज ओले पड़ेंगे. It will hail today. It will hail today. एक टुकड़ा भी नहीं. Not even a bite. Not even a bite. कोई खास बात नहीं. Nothing special. Nothing special. राहुल को जाना है. राहुल has to go. राहुल has to go. रोटियां बेल लो. Roll the chapatis. Roll the chapatis. आपकी मेहरबानी है. So kind of you. So kind of you. वह रास्ते में है. He is on the way. He is on the way. वह नहा रहा है. He is taking a bath. He is taking a bath. लो रोहित आ गया. Here comes Rohit. Here comes Rohit. मैं मुस्कुरा रहा हूँ. I am smiling. I am smiling. बारिश हो रही है। It's raining. It's raining. लैंप जला दो। Light the lamp. Light the lamp. कुछ खास नहीं। Nothing special. Nothing special. जूते पहन लो। Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. वह एक लड़का है। That is a boy. That is a boy. झगड़ा मत करो। Don't make a quarrel. Don't make a quarrel. अटक अटक कर मत बोलो। Don't stutter. Don't stutter. यहाँ से चले जाओ। Go away from here. Go away from here. उसने कुछ नहीं किया। He did nothing. He did nothing. वो बदल रहा है। He is being changed. He is being changed. This much is sufficient for today. And if you are a beginner and trying to learn English, then do subscribe my channel. Follow for more.